Welcome to ELECTROONEXT YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about CD4047 IC complete details, working principle, advantages, with best 5 equivalent ICs. The CD4047 is a CMOS low-power monostable, Astable multivibrator IC. It can operate as Monostable multivibrator one-shot timer, Astable multivibrator oscillator, pulse generator. Is widely used in inverters, square wave generators, frequency generators, timers, LED flashers, frequency dividers, and delay circuits. Basic specifications. IC type, CMOS multivibrator. Package dip, 14 SYC 14. Supply voltage, 3 volts to 15 volts, typical, up to 20 volts for some versions. Output type, Q and Q, complementary outputs. Duty cycle 50% in Astable mode. External components, 1 resistor plus 1 capacitor. Power consumption very low. Operating modes, monostable and astable. Working principle of CD4047 IC. The CD4047 uses an external resistor and capacitor connected to its timing pins. The RC network determines output frequency in astable mode, pulse width in monostable mode. The capacitor continuously charges and discharges through the resistor, and the internal CMOS circuitry converts this action into a stable digital square wave. Astable mode working. In astable mode, CD4047 works as a free-running oscillator. Process. External capacitor charges through resistor. Internal comparator detects threshold voltage. Output changes state. Capacitor starts discharging. Process repeats continuously. This produces continuous square wave, 50% duty cycle output, complementary outputs at Q and Q. A frequency twice that of Q output is available at OSC out pin. Monostable mode working. In monostable mode, the IC acts like a one-shot timer. Process. Trigger pulse applied. Output changes state. Capacitor begins charging. After preset time, output returns automatically. One stable state and one temporary state exist. Important features. Monostable features. Positive edge triggering. Negative edge triggering. Retrigger-able operation. Accurate pulse width. Long timing intervals possible. Astable features. 50% duty cycle output. Good frequency stability. Free running operation. Gated oscillator operation. Complementary outputs available. Pin functions. Pin 1, timing capacitor. Pin 2, timing resistor. Pin 3, RC common. Pin 4, astable control. Pin 5, astable enable. Pin 6, negative trigger. Pin 7, ground. Pin 8, positive trigger. Pin 9, reset. Pin 10, Q output. Pin 11, Q output. Pin 12, retrigger. Pin 13, oscillator output. Pin 14, VDD supply. Advantages of CD4047 IC. 1. Very low power consumption. CMOS technology consumes very little current. 2. Wide supply voltage range. Works from 3 volts to 15 volts and some versions up to 20 volts. 3. Accurate 50% duty cycle. Ideal for inverter and clock circuits. 4. Simple frequency setting. Requires only 1 resistor and 1 capacitor. 5. Complementary outputs. Provides Q and Q outputs simultaneously. 6. High noise immunity. Suitable for industrial and noisy environments. 7. Stable frequency. Better frequency stability than many simple transistor oscillators. 8. Can work as timer or oscillator. One IC serves multiple applications. Applications: DC to AC inverters, square wave generators, LED flashers, frequency dividers, frequency multipliers, delay timers, pulse generators, alarm circuits, clock generators, switching circuits. Best 5 equivalent ICs of CD4047. CD4528, dual monostable multivibrator. CD4538, precision retrigger-able monostable. NE555, timer oscillator IC. ICM7555, CMOS version of 555 timer. CD4060, oscillator plus binary counter. Best replacement. ICM7555 low-power CMOS alternative. Best for oscillator applications. CD4060. Best for timing applications. CD4538. Conclusion. The CD4047 is one of the most useful CMOS timing ICs. It can work as both a monostable timer and an astable oscillator, requires only one resistor and one capacitor, provides accurate 50% duty cycle outputs, consumes very low power, and is widely used in inverter, timer, and pulse generation circuits. Its versatility and simplicity make a favorite choice for electronics hobbyists and engineers. Comment below the video and let us know which component details you want to see in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, as a support to grow my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to my video, and you can also get every upcoming update about my new video on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like those. Thanks for watching.